Hello everybody, this is Ace. Today I'm at 1017 Whitehall Circle here in Durham, 27713. This is a beautiful newer construction that was built in 2024 and it's beautiful inside. Let me take you on a tour. Sorry, my car is kind of parked in right in the middle, but it's a stunning property with architectural shingles, little metal roof at the top, right over there. Beautiful brickwork around the house, and this is a very nice planned community with the clubhouse that's 5,000 square feet with pool and stormwater maintenance, road maintenance, and street light. And they do offer insurance for the common ground as well. Doing an open house here today from 1 to 3. Beautiful brickwork. I really like the arch right here. That's reminiscing of older construction, very classy looking. And the brickwork is so beautiful. Walking up to the property, see this is pretty wide. A brick stairway, really sturdy. At the front porch, there's a little lounging area. And you have this view right here. Very nice. Yeah, let's go inside. This property is just shy of 3,000 square feet with 4 full bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 1 half bath. A gas fireplace built in. This house has a ton of built-ins. It's really nice. Built-in cabinet right here. Little shelving area. Fireplace. Nice TV. And this house is really generously sized study and office room. And they have those upgraded blinds as well. You have a couple mirrors looking out onto the street. And you can see some trees. Really nice. And you have this 2 glass door right here. And here is your formal dining area. Really nicely laid out. As I was talking to another group who just showed up to the open house, with modern constructions, it feels much bigger because it's utilizing every single square feet of the property to make everything work, and everything is just there. So this is a 3,000 square feet house. It's not a small house, but it feels much bigger than what it actually is. And with all of these furnitures in the house, it still feels very spacious. And the ceiling height is very good. This is like at least 10 or 12 feet from the floor. And you have a built-in microwave right here that saves more space, and a range hood, a 5-burner gas stove, oversized sink, a dishwasher, and a wine cellar. Washer, dryer, refrigerator, wine cellar, they all convey to the property. And 27713 is rated A+ by Niche. This is one of the best zip codes, one of the most desirable zip codes here in Durham. Yeah, let me show you the back patio area. Have this lounging area right here. It's on 0.11 acre, so it had decent backyard space. And This was built by the developer. This little brick area, really cute. The back alleyway is private. It's Saturday. I think the neighbors are doing a little fun gathering event for the family right now. We have more storage area, and here is the primary suite. We have more windows on the other side. Nice shower right here with the built-in seating area right here. Double vanity. I like the light bright color with black accent. It's really nice. Hey guys. It's getting colder here in Durham. This towel rack is heated, so very fancy. And you have your toilet right here. It's enclosed. And your closet. Nice walk-in closet with some built-ins. That opens up to the laundry room. This is my favorite part of the house. Super laundry room, washer, dryer, and a sink, as we talked about. So once you go past the laundry room, you have your closet. Once you go past your closet, you have your shower. And once you pass your shower, you have your primary suite. So with all these doors closed, you cannot hear them, but you have a simple, easy access to wash your clothes, which is really nice. And right here, you have a nice 2-car garage. They have more stuff right here, but with everything removed, you can park 2 cars no problem. And a Rinnai tankless water heater. Very nice. That saves you a little bit more money on the power bill, and it just makes the house more energy efficient. And you have another door that goes out to the patio to the back from here. Very cute. So 27713 is a very vibrant and community. They offer some really good schools around Durham, close to RTP, close to Durham, close to Cary. Yeah. That bath, I really like this thing. It's super cute. Here's the kitchen one more time. Formal dining. And that is your pantry area. And let's go upstairs. Everything is 2024, of course. And the community offers a pool, a clubhouse that's 5,000 square feet, and their HOA fee is $140 a month. Here's the second bedroom. Very cute. Here's a shared bath with double vanity. Enclosed shower. And the toilet. The third bedroom right here is being used as a little workout area. Also very cute. And we have a mirror right here. I really like the decoration around this house. Shows a lot of great taste. So like this flower station right here. Here is the last bedroom. This is similar to the suite downstairs. This is another full suite. So if you have your parent living here or grandparent living here, this will also work really well. You have a nice soaker right here. You got babies. A cute flower light. Very, very cute. Soaker tub. Linen storage. And a toilet enclosed right here. Then here is the major part of the upstairs, is this fancy lounging area. A TV right here, sofa action going on. There's a lot of windows, feels very bright and light over here. And you have a built-in wet bar upstairs as well. This one cellar also conveys with the property. Very, very nice. Yeah, that's everything of this house. Very pretty. And very new, of course. It just looks very, very good from inside and out. And I do like the fact that the garage is not at the same side of the house. It's in the back, and you have more parking at the front of the house as well. So either way will work. All right. Thank you guys for seeing the property and touring the property with me. This is 1017 Whitehall Circle here in Durham, 27713, one of the most desirable zip code and neighborhood in Durham. And this is a 2024 new construction with architectural shingles on a block foundation and with ton of built-ins and upgrades. I do like the fancy modern floor plan, the built-in microwave, the laundry room connects the closet and connects the primary suite. Then you have entertainment area upstairs for the entire family, and a soaker tub, of course, that is very nice too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.